Good day to my subscribers worldwide. This is the king of sales. This is my first YouTube video. I didn't even intend to come online on YouTube, but many of my students demanded that the world need to hear this. You might be asking, what exactly is he here for? I am here solely to teach you the real secrets of publishing books on Amazon, ACS, Kobo, Soundwise, Authors Republic, and so many other platforms. Some people keep their books independent on Amazon KDP through Kindle Unlimited. It's good. It has its advantages and it also has its disadvantages. Some people decide to distribute their books to over 400 different retailers using PDF Drive, Publish Drive, and Draft2 Digitals, and so many other platforms that enables them to do that. It also has its advantages and its disadvantages. But when you roll with me on this video, I am going to teach you so many tricks, so many secrets that you haven't heard before about publishing business. I have been a publisher for 2 years now. I have made nothing less than $45,000 doing this. And believe me, I have not run any Amazon ad or Google ad on any of my accounts for the first time. Every sale I get are all natural sales. They are organic. You know what Pioneer is? This is my Pioneer account. You can see for yourself. You will see the date. You will see the amount. This is coming from Audible. You will see how I withdrew it into my Naira account, my UBA account. I am a Nigerian actually. Many Nigerians think that it's not possible to publish books on Amazon. Many people in African countries, Ghana, South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, they think that it's not possible to tap into this audiobook and ebook business. But I am going to unleash all the secrets, all that you need to know to get started in this business. As you can see, on the 27th of September, I withdrew a total of $6,142. And when I keep going down, you will still see that on this same 27th of September, Audible paid in $836. And so many other payments coming into this account. No Amazon ads. I'm going to unleash to you all the secrets you need to know. I have up to 600 books on Amazon KDP. Many of you will be saying it's impossible, right? Yeah, it's impossible because you don't know how. But I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about this. These are my books in one of my KDP accounts. You can see to show you how many pages left to be opened. And these are all motivational books. I focus on motivational books. And you'll be wondering, how am I able to make up to 600 books within my 2 years of publishing business? Actually, I can write a book in 2 days. 2 days is enough to me to bring up a quality motivational book. And these are the things we will be covering in this channel, teaching you how to make it happen in your publishing business. I'm going to review all the secrets. I will also teach you how you can publish and take your book down to Authors Republic. Find Away Voices. As you can see, this is my Find Away Voices account. Let's look at the sales. From here, you can see I have gotten a total of 84 units sold and an estimated revenue of 596 USD. Wow, this is awesome. Find Away is really doing something great. I even like this Find Away more than ACS because of the royalty. they give me a whopping 70% royalty on all sales, whereas ACS gives me 20% if it is a royalty share and 40% if it's a DIY. We'll still cover that in a minute. This is my Kobo account. In your Kobo publishing platform, you can publish both ebook and audiobooks. I'm going to also cover all the secrets and why you should use Kobo. These are the things you will enjoy by subscribing to this channel. So, let me quickly show you something which might interest you. When you go to my Amazon KDP account, you will notice that I have books in different languages. Yes, this helps me to expand my sales, expand my business around the world. For those non-English speaking countries, they can also get a copy of my book and make values out of it. Then, coupled with my advanced strategies of having up to 600 books, motivational books, being uploaded into one KDP account, one KDP. I manage only one KDP account for now. So let me quickly show you the report so you see for yourself that without running any ad, my Kindle Unlimited, you see it is moving. You can see there are days I got up to 1,000 pages read, 1,500, 500, 500, 232, 302, and 521. This all happened within the month of November. And so many sales. There are days I got 2 sales, there are days I got 1 sale, and so on. The ones on a blue tick is free book, free unit, all that. I normally place my books on free units so that my readers will now read my books and as well review it, which helps in ranking these books on Amazon. So this is it for now on this video. In my next video, we will start to handle these topics one after the other, starting from how to set up a profitable KDP account. If you already have a KDP account, I'm going to show you what you are doing wrong that made you not to be making sales on a daily basis. If you already have an ACS account, I will show you exactly what you are doing wrong that made it impossible for you to make $1,000 a month on your ACS. If you already have a Kobo account, I will show you why you are unable to publish an audiobook on your Kobo Writing Life account. These are the things we are going to be covering in this video. We'll also unleash the key secrets of my 600 books in one KDP account within an interval of 2 years. You will see my writing ways, the ways I write my books, and I know you will have value with it. Do subscribe to this channel, like, so that your friends around the world will also see this video and make value out of it. Thank you and remain blessed.